Hi, my name is Stan and I'm the founder of the RFID Expert project. And if you're watching this video, you probably know what it is about. In this 15-minute screencast, I'll explain you how to use a website, what features it has, why to register, and what benefits you can have from it as a comprehensive marketing tool. So in the beginning, a few words about the project's goals. The project RFID Expert was created to make the RFID technology more simple, convenient, and easy for the technology stakeholders, vendors, distributors, solution providers, and integrators, and also the end customers. It's a project aimed to deliver information and services. This means that users are able to find the information they need and solve specific tasks. The rhythm of life is continuously increasing, and the customers are required and quickly, convenient, and easiest way to get answers to the questions. Imagine yourself as a potential customer. Let's say the customer is looking forward to integrate the RFID system in the facility. What action does the customer at the beginning? Right, the information search. Among the information may be an example of the similar solution or a case study, the list of the equipment needed, system integrator, solution review by satisfied customer, the benefits achieved by the company in quantitative and qualitative ways. After receiving the initial information they need, the customer will need to have a contact information in order to contact the company by phone or email, or visit a corporate website. What if the company is also carrying out a training seminar? However, it's better to know it in advance. And for example, what the integrator is looking for. Integrator must declare on its experience in the implementing similar projects, thereby attracting new customers and sales increasing. So, look at the example of what task could be solved by using the website, and what it can do. To land the website homepage, just type into your browser www.rfidexpert.ru. At first, a few words about the structure of the website. And first of all, I'd like to know that the website is bilingual. It supports both Russian and English languages. But this doesn't mean that all content is available in both Russian and English languages. To achieve this availability, the translation is required. Site menu is available on every page, and it includes the following sections. Home. On the home page, there are recent news. News articles may contain user comments. Blogs. Each user can have its own blog, a link to which will be available from his personal profile. Within the blog, the company or a user can specify the important events, allowing others to create in mind the company or a person's profile. Companies. This menu is an alphabetical list of the companies with a brief description and contact information. User can provide their rates to the companies and post appropriate reviews. Case studies. This item includes some of the most common solutions in a number of areas. This is a convenient starting point for the beginning, the awareness on the technology. Dictionary. Concise dictionary describes the technology used on the website. If the user is faced with an unfamiliar term, they could easily find its meaning within the dictionary. Forums. Classical style forums designed for communication between the users on a variety of topics, among which there may have a discussion on the projects, equipment, staff hiring. Topics can be created only by authorized users. Comments can lead both authorized and anonymous users. About the project. This is the page that represents the project and goals. It does also have a contact information. Contact. This is a feedback form. Specified with a message, it drops into email to be processed later. This form also can be used to send any message and proposals in just a few clicks. Login register. Login by using existing account or to create a new one. If for any reason you forgot your password, you can retrieve it here. Content on the website is always located in the center of the screen. There are helpers located by the site, so-called blocks. Blocks simplify the navigation and provide information depending on the context. Recent blog entries show the last blog record starting for the last one. Popular content. The most viewed articles by the visitors. The data is updated every hour. Tags. All materials on the website have a tags. It is needed to simplify the search for the articles in one click. This block includes the most popular tags. There are also blocks located on the right panel on the screen. Languages. This allows the user to switch the current language. This change of the language also applies to the interface. Blog subscribing to newsletters. On the Mondays, the most interesting stuff from last week is sending to the website subscriber base. The next block, the search. The site has also a special engine, search engine, that allows you to conveniently run the search on the website. After registration, it is possible to search across the user database. Facebook Connect button allows one-click login using Facebook credentials. It is simple and easy as never before. Then the widgets of social networks. If you like this project and you have an appropriate account, you may like us. This is a nice way to encourage us. The next block, Twitter. Upon receipt of the appropriate authorization and approval of our Twitter application, all messages from your account will be displayed on the homepage. The next block, Comments. Here are the recent comments left by users. It is a very convenient way to keep the track of the current activity. Footer menu. RSS feed icon allows you to subscribe to the site's RSS channel. Please take into account the channels for Russian and English are also different. The first footer menu duplicates the top navigation menu, but underneath there are another menu that includes the following items: privacy policy, terms of use and sitemap. The first points to the privacy of the information left by users. Terms describe the condition of the user or website. A user agreement. A sitemap is a tree of the content available on the website. Now let's go further. In order to access the full features, you need to register. You can do this in several ways. First of all, you need to open the menu, Login, Register. On the screen you see three tabs: Create new account, Login, and Request new password. Tab Forgot password is used for the purpose when you need to recover your lost password. In order to do this, you have to enter a username or email address, then enter a verification code and press the button below, Request new password. To start a registration procedure, please select the tab Create new account and fill the following fields. The required fields are marked in red. The rest are optional. You may fill them optionally. Once the form is completed, you must enter the specified verification code at the bottom of the page and confirm your information by pressing the Create new account button. Then, within the minute, you will get a confirmation email. It is therefore important to provide a valid email address. The message also contains username and password. Then you have to click on the link in the message and you are registered. Click on the link in the email and you will be redirected to the user's profile when you can set a new password instead of one assigned by the system. It is important to know that instead of the menu item Login Register appears My Account, where you will land on the first login. Here you can find all basic user settings and some important tools. Thus, changing the password, we can set a preferred language settings. Basically, it will affect the language of the message coming from the site. For example, the password is needed to recover. In the picture, you can upload your own photo or company logo. Other users can be easily to visually identify you when communicating with you. The next section, comment follow-up notification settings. Here you can enable, disable or configure notifications about the comments on the website. Contact settings. Personal contact form which allows other users to contact you directly. This email address, the sender and recipient will be hidden if you don't force them to show. Locale settings. Let you set your own time zone. In this case, all the time indicated on the website in News section forums will be specified in accordance with your local time zone. Private messages. Enabling these options allows you to exchange messages with other users, make internal email distribution. The Show My Email, when you turn, adds your email address visible to the recipient, so the recipient of the letter can see your address and respond to you directly. Enable private messages. When this option is enabled, when you receive a personal message, a notification will be sent to the email address above. Tap LinkedIn. If you are using a professional contact network LinkedIn, then you may find it convenient to automatically post messages to a social network created by you on the website. In order to do this, you must authorize the application RFID Expert for LinkedIn, clicking by this link. Personal information defines your profile on the website. An expert, customer, supplier. Also in this section may provide a link to your company or a personal page. You can also specify your cell phone number for future SMS alerts. The fields that are public and those which have access only by the administration are defined explicitly. Bookmark My Newsletters allows you to specify to which newsletters you have subscribed. Currently there are only weekly newsletter of articles of upcoming events in Russian language. Twitter allows you to connect your own account in Twitter. Auto-authorizing RFID Expert application for Twitter, the website will automatically aggregate news from your timeline and play them right to the home page. In addition, people who viewed your profile will see your personal tweets. The message consists of following items: inbox, sent messages, all messages, write new messages, blocked users. Inbox messages. Messages can be marked as read, unread, and moved to archive. Furthermore, messages may be filtered by the subject and by the sender. Sender messages. Functionality is identical to the incoming messages, except the filtering is carried out by the recipient. All messages displays a list of all messages. Send a new message. Send a email message to a user or a group of users. A file could be attached to the message. A blocked user. If you don't want to receive a message from any particular user, you can block it. Thus, you have a full and convenient email client and address book ready. The next section, OpenID. You can register your account with OpenID providers such as Yahoo and use it to log in into a website. The site supports the major providers of OpenID credentials. Track. In this section, you can track the status of your content, such as responses and comments from the other users, which makes it a convenient tool for communication with others and staying in touch with them. The badges. Every user is being awarded points for their activity. Points are marked by special badges that demonstrate to the other users' activity and experience. You may see that my account provides a wide range of features for interaction with wider audience on the site and beyond, in a simple and convenient way. Now we are going back to the home page. Open a new story. In the left panel there are blogs showing similar stories which encourage the user to view additional materials on this topic. Below we see a brief information about user, author of the story. From the content there, the reference to the author's profile. Author profile allow access to the basic information about the user, such as online availability on the website and date of registration and link to the homepage. The user profile block provides the ability to send private messages or emails using the contact form. Calendar. Designed as a block located on the left panel. By default it displays the current month. It's highlighted with upcoming events. Clicking on the block you may change its presentation. The day, week, month or year view. All events on the screen by clicking could be easily transferred to the Outlook calendar or another client in a quick, easy and convenient way. In addition, on the site implemented a highly flexible search engine for any information needed. You can see the sort of tools and selection of many parameters and spell checking. You also have an opportunity to interact with the website at low-speed internet connection. For this purpose, a mobile version was developed that it has simple graphics, but it's more faster on the mobile devices and weak connection. In order to do this in browser's address, you need to replace the www with M, first letter from the word mobile. That's all. This version can be used perfectly on all mobile devices. This screencast was created to explain the possibilities and high potential of the web that you can use on a daily basis to work with existing customers and partners, as well as to establish new contacts and enhance the reputation of the company on the market. And I'm deeply convinced that current project combines all modern internet technologies, content and experience to achieve the maximum efficiency for all industry stakeholders. Thank you for staying with us. Hope to see you soon.